Hey love, welcome to the Branded Babe Mo. If you've landed here, it probably means that you are on your healing or your growth journey. And I want you to know that you are not alone in this. I know what it's like to hit rock bottom. I left a toxic domestic violence marriage behind. I battled severe depression and anxiety. And for the longest time, I did not believe that I was close to enough. But little by little, tiny step by tiny step, I rebuilt my life, I healed, I found my confidence, and I created a life for me and my daughter that just fully felt peaceful, joyful, and free. And now this channel is where I want to share everything that I've learned along the way so that you can also do the same. On my channel, you're going to find healing and mindset tips to overcome self-doubt, glow-up routines that actually feel good and are not forced, confidence building lessons, and real stories from my personal journey of healing and growth and becoming my most authentic self. My mission is to help millennial women like you heal, grow, and thrive in your life so that you can step into the woman you were always meant to be. So if you're ready to stop doubting yourself, embrace your glow up, and start feeling at home in your own life, hit that subscribe button and join me every Sunday for new videos. Because girlfriend, this will be your safe space to heal and shine.